Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video I will talk about the Infosys hiring confusion. As you know that Infosys have announced the hiring. I have already provided update related to application process and other video. Now should you apply or not, should you wait or not? You can say this is a question. अगर मैं अभी SPDSC को अप्लाई किया एंड अगेन जब SC रोल हायरिंग निकलेगी जो कि 4.5 के अराउंड होता है, देन मैं अप्लाई कर पाऊंगी क्या नहीं. सो फ्रेंड्स, इट कम्प्लीटली डिपेंड ऑन देम. इफ दे चेंज द हायरिंग बटन, देन दिस I can't tell you, means I can't assure you, or no one can assure you, okay, what the things we are doing, because you can know also TCS earlier they don't hire the 2024-25 candidates again. So anything can happen. So I will suggest whatever the opportunity you are getting, try to apply. So will Infosys hire again, or this is the last opportunity? No one can give the confirmation yet, okay. So the main thing I will tell that whatever the opportunity you are getting, prepare well and apply. Okay, so should you apply or not? I think you got the clarity, but yeah, if means consult with your college DPO or some college faculty. If they are saying that Infosys will come for the lower package role, then you can wait, because some candidates who have filled the form earlier, I think, but most of the candidates are able to fill the form, but some are saying that I didn't able to apply again. But I think Infosys will give you the second chance to apply, because for 2025 candidates earlier also, means one candidate can apply for more than 2 times, so there was no any cooling period. Okay, now talking one of the important point related to resume shortlisting. So when I uploaded the video related to application process, then there you have to upload the resume. So will the resume shortlisting will be there, or everyone will get the application link? Remember friends, actually in Infosys this is a good thing that they don't do resume shortlisting, but still I will suggest apply with good resume, apply with good detail, because if you will give some, what can I say, false detail or other detail, then there might you be the reason that you will not be getting the assessment mail. But I think everyone will get, but still apply with good resume. That's the good things, because further भाई आप लोगों को selection भी तो लेना है, तो in selection also they will consider the resume, isn't it? So but yeah, you should not outshine your resume. Whatever the points you know, only that point you should give in resume. So that's all things I want to tell. Now the further related to coding sheets, I've already made a detailed video related to coding sheets. So just go through that videos, and these are the questions that is asked from the Infosys 2025 batch. They are say that first question I solved 5 by 12, second 12 by 12, third 11 by 12. So do I change? Do I will get chance for the next round? Remember friends, you will get the chance for the next round, but the next round is again offline test. Means after clearing the online test, you have to prepare for the offline test, and you have to basically give this test again, and then there you have to solve the test case. And if you are able to solve test case, then only you will get the interview. Related to interview, I will make a dedicated video, no need to worry about that. So you will get the registration, means you have got already the registration mail for, what can I say, 2026 pass out. Soon you will get the assessment mail. So whenever the assessment will be out, I will provide all those updates in my YouTube channel. So for that you can just subscribe us and don't miss any update. Okay, and friends, please support us. Your support is important. We are providing lots of important study material for TCS, and same things I'm gonna do for the Infosys hiring too. So talking about the topics you should prepare. So since this will be a complete coding test, okay, for the Infosys 4.5 LPA there will be aptitude and reasoning part will be there also, but I don't know whether that hiring will come or not. So again I am leaving all this on you. Okay, otherwise आपने बोलेंगे भैया आपने बोला था अप्लाई कर दिया, अब मैं नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. So that please don't say to me, because whatever the knowledge I have, I'm just passing to you. So consult with your TPO and focus on these topics like binary index tree, binary search tree, graph based question, dynamic programming, segment tree, 2-pointer approach, try, prefix try, मीन जो हार्डर टॉपिक्स होता है, एंड रिलेटेड टू डिटेल्ड क्वेश्चन मैंने ऑलरेडी वीडियो बनाया हूँ. सो यू कैन गो थ्रू इट. ओके, इफ यू नीड द PDF in this description also, you can comment your Infosys or PDF, then I will share the complete PDF here. So those who have exam further, or those who are preparing, the main things I want to tell that focus on the coding part. Coding will play a critical role, and through coding only you will be getting the 6.5 LPA and other LPA structure. Okay, so for at least you should target for the DSC, that's a digital specialist engineer, and compensation you will be getting 6.25 LPA, and joining bonus will be 75,000. So you have to attempt any 3 questions and try to pass as much as test cases possible. For the specialist L1 you will get 10 LPA, and for other you will get the package till 21 LPA. So this is the complete video. I think now you got the clarity whether you should apply or not, resume shortlisting will be there or not. I think I have covered almost every doubt, but still if you have any query, feel free to ask or comment here. I am always here to help you. We can connect on LinkedIn, Insta or Facebook, whatever platform you are comfortable with, we can connect, and you can ask your any query there. Hope informative to you. Make sure to share this video among your friends. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.